Welcome to the Gateway Middle School Open House. Tonight you will experience what your student sees every day and meet the teachers they normally have on Thursdays.
Students begin each day in homeroom and watch our morning announcement show. And just as we are doing this evening, it is streamed live on YouTube each morning at 8:06 a.m. Parents can watch it at home as we stream live on YouTube or view the edited version later.
Our morning announcement show is put together each morning by 7th and 8th grade students, both in front of and behind the camera, just like a professional newscast.
We hope you get a lot out of this tonight's open house. If you get lost this evening, there are GMS students throughout the hallways to help guide you in the correct direction.
Now here are some interesting happenings at Gateway Middle School that you should be aware of.
Did you know we have a computer club? The second meeting is after school on Tuesday, October 1st in room 105 until 4 o'clock p.m. We will be looking at Dreamweaver and Minecraft. Also, Chess Club will meet in Mr. Grainer's room 203 on Thursday, September 26th from 3 o'clock to 4:30 p.m.
Does your child have a birthday coming up? You can give them a birthday shout out on the morning announcements for just $1. Forms for this are in the office and outside of the choir room, 301. You can even send a special message.
Now let's find out what's happening in sports.
Congratulations to the GMS football team for their win against Hempfield with the score of 18-0.
Congratulations to the boys cross-country team for their victory over Greensburg Salem with a score of 17-44, lowest score wins. Congratulations to the following top finishers: Darius Farrar in 6th place, Jace Beam in 7th place, and Nick Farrar in 14th place.
If your child wants to attend the various after-school sports events as a spectator, they must bring in a handwritten note giving your permission for them to stay. Permission to stay will not be granted by a telephone or a text message. If students do not have a note from their parent or guardian, they will be required to board their daily bus. And now, over to Cheyenne.
Just in case you're curious, tomorrow's lunch is smoky barbecue rib sandwich with creamy coleslaw, cheesy broccoli, chilled peaches, and choice of fruit. And now with the weather.
While I won't be as entertaining as Jalil was this morning, the current weather temperature is 82 degrees with a real feel of 89 degrees. Hopefully you'll be in rooms with air conditioning. Tomorrow calls for 20% chance of rain with a high of 82 degrees.
The Gator Gear sale has begun. Order forms are available in the office. Sale ends on September 27th.
We hope that this evening grants you the best opportunity to get to know your child's teachers and have a better understanding of their classes. Have a wonderful evening.